All right, guys, 35,000 calls look good. 35,000 calls. But suggestion is shift to the June expiry, June 3rd, June 10th, whatever you want. This is my personal trade. So I have my own stops in mind. So if you're taking this trade, consult your advisors, please, and don't just blindly follow what I'm telling you guys. And I believe the trend in Bank Nifty should start shortly. I also am of the opinion that even if I hit a stop loss today, probably I could keep a stop at 400 rupees. Even if I hit a stop loss today, I would like to buy at the day end, at the day low. And again, I think very, very shortly, the trend in Bank Nifty is about to start again shortly. PSU banks are coming back in focus. So I've been saying it's all about being a bull in this market. Do not short, aggressively. You might get an intraday momentum, but don't just short aggressively on positional basis. I'm firmly a believer that the trend now is intact, and the Bank Nifty trend, which was sideways for the last 3-4 days, is about to continue now. So that's about it for now, guys. And please consult your advisors. Please see your own risks, own rewards, and hopefully this idea should help you out. Thank you so much.